Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the light cup in your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. And we're going to have to remove this panel right here. Now we're going to open up our stove here. Now we're going to remove the light socket and the light with it. So we've got to push our bail out of the way, and when you do that, make sure you hold onto the light lens right there, because the light lens isn't held on by anything else besides the bail. Then we can take the bail out. Now we can unscrew the light bulb here. And we're going to remove the 2 screws right here, holding the socket in place. And now we can pull the socket out. So the next thing we're going to have to do to separate our light cup from the rest of this is we're going to have to push the light socket through. So there's these 2 clips on this side, which we're just going to pinch in and push that through, and it should get straight through. Now we've also got this gasket on the back of it, so we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just gently work that up and remove that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement light cup. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the socket back into the cup, like so. And you're going to want to make sure that those clips line up with the 2 holes on the side, and then pop right through. And now we're going to put our gasket back into place. Slide on. You're going to want to make sure that those 2 cutouts right there line up with the 2 holes. Push that down. That push down. You'll feed through. And now we'll put our socket back into place. And that'll just slide right through. And then we'll line up our screw holes. And now we'll put the light bulb back in. And we'll set our bail back into place, like so. And now we can put the lens on and clip the bail up. Now I'm going to plug everything back in on the back here, starting with our light socket here. And now we'll put our cover panel back on. And now we'll go back to the front of our oven, and now we'll put our oven rack back in. Close up our door, and repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.